Okay, I'm just wanting something sweet. And I was wanting to make a sweetened condensed milk bread, but that's going to take too long for today. So I'm hoping to make that tomorrow. But like I told you in the pot roast video, be on the watch for that because it is coming soon. But to me, it just sounds so good, that sweetened condensed milk bread. But anyway, let's carry on to this. My husband used to watch this little elderly gentleman on Facebook, and he done a lot of cooking. I can't even think of his name at the moment. But a couple years ago, we had seen a recipe, and I can remember he used a butter pecan cake mix and some Heath Bits. But honestly, I think he used the ones that did not have the chocolate in it, but I would prefer the chocolate covered because I love a Heath bar anyway. But there was more to it, but I honestly can't remember what it was. And it turned out pretty good. So I'm going to create something. It may be good and it may not. I'm going to take this butter pecan cake, boxed cake. I'm going to fix it just like it says. I think it calls for 3 eggs and a half cup of oil. And then I'm going to pour this a bag in that batter and let it bake up. And then when it comes out, I'm going to pour some semi-sweet chocolate chips over top of the cake, put it back in the oven, let those chocolate chips melt, pull it out, kind of just spread it kind of like a frosting and let it cool, and we'll try it. We'll see. Who knows? Okay, I had to unplug one of my lights so I could plug up my mixer, so I apologize if it's a little bit darker. But here we go. So we're going to take our cake mix, and this is butter pecan. It's going to take a half cup of oil, 3 eggs. And I'm going to crack these one at a time, which is probably good practice no matter the egg, but these are fresh country eggs, so you got to be a little bit more careful with the fresh country egg. So there's one. Yeah, I like that one. I think I'm going to get rid of that one. Okay. Always wash your hands after you pull with eggs. So let's go ahead and blend this in. I don't see that. I put the oil in a cup of water. All right, you all, I'm rushing because sorry about that. You also needed a cup of water. We're rushing my youngest daughter. She's having my little one. She got invited. Well, she's 7th grade, but it's some kind of technology event, and they won an award. Her and her partner, it's another little girl. They did a documentary on someone. So anyway, so I'm rushing because we got to be at that tonight. But I'm super proud of her. But let's get back to this. So I took that butter pecan cake mix, and I'm adding a bag of these. And we're going to bake it. We'll stick that into a preheated oven that's at 350 degrees, and we'll bake this according to instructions, which was 28 to 30 minutes. It is out, it is melted. This is still hot. It's falling apart. All right, here it is. It is hot. Like I said, we're rushing for time, but that's good. It's rich. You on camera? No? She gave me 2 thumbs up. So, and I'm sitting here recording the wrong way. She gave me 2 thumbs up. So, all right, that is it for this video, and it was a quick cake. So, I think it's worth a shot if you want to try it. It's pretty good. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that little red button. Have a blessed rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.